Alright, there are a couple things that you need before we get started. The first thing you need is an autoresponder service or email marketing service, and it's GetResponse and Aweber are the two best choices I go with. But what a autoresponder is basically it stores and holds your emails and allows you to market to them in the future. So you can send out an email to like 50 people at once without retyping it each time. So that's what it's mainly for. It's to capture emails as well. You can get opt-in pages from it and all that stuff. But the price difference between Aweber and GetResponse is $15 a month. Aweber, it costs a little bit more, but I think down the line, once you have more subscribers, you're going to want to go with Aweber. But for now, since you're just starting out, GetResponse is your probably your best choice because they give a free 1-month trial, whereas Aweber does not give a free trial. You have to pay $1 for the first month. So again, it's up to you, but I would suggest getting GetResponse. GetResponse is what I currently use, and it's a really awesome service. They have like 24-hour customer support and all that stuff. So just from experience, I would suggest going with GetResponse. The next thing you're going to need is a squeeze page to catch subscribers. Now, what a squeeze page is basically it's a website, but it's only one page, and people go there and they opt into your list. They type in their name and their email, and they get added to your list. And they do that because they want the incentive. And what the incentive is basically they'll come onto this page and it'll say, get this free report. Just enter your email. And this free report is what they get when they enter their email. So when they do that, they get to download it. But when they do that, you also get their email. And when you get their email, you can market to them in the future and try to get them to buy stuff from you. So that's what squeeze page is in essence. You're also going to need some writing experience. Now, I'm not talking about like Pulitzer Prize or whatever the writing award is, or I forget what the writing award is. But you don't need to be a novel writer. You just need some basic writing skills. Like if you could typing fast helps, I guess. But later I'll talk about a simpler way of getting around this. We can outsource some of it, or we can do another way with PLR, and I'll explain that in a little bit. You'll need word processor, which is the free software that came with your computer. You should all have it. If you have a Mac, you could probably use the Mac alternative. You can actually buy word processor on Mac now. But definitely word processor is probably your best bet. And of course, cache is always awesome to have if you want to speed some things along. You can outsource the ebook cover, all that stuff that we're going to need. But yeah, so you're going to need all these things before we get started. I would suggest $30 minimum of cash to help with the outsourcing process, but it's up to you how much cash you want to put aside for this.